The following is a production of Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution.
My name is Stéphanie Genouvrier, and I am an assistant scientist at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, and I'm also a tenured scientist at the CNRS in France, which is the National Center of Research. Antarctica is on average a continent with the windiest, the driest, and the coldest platform Earth. For this reason, in fact, it's very hard to study emperor penguin colony. And the only place where we can study emperor penguin colony over the entire cycle during the year, it's in Terra Delhi, because in Terra Delhi, the scientific base is not far from the colony. Scientists have been collected like 50 years of data on emperor penguin, which is an incredible long-term data, but they are required if you really want to study the impact of climate variability on population. And this is possible thanks for the support of the French Polar Institute Paul-Émile Vector. Right now we are putting a project recently to use this kind of automatic system. So we put what we call a PIP tag under the skin of the bird. It's like what we put on cats and dogs. We will be able to record the identity of each bird. So we will be able to know if they are surviving and returning to the colony. Sea ice is very important for the emperor penguin because all the emperor penguin life cycle is tied to sea ice. Emperor penguin breed and raise their chicks on sea ice, and they are also affected by sea ice indirectly through its effect on the food web. Emperor penguin are diving from the sea ice to feed on krill, which are shrimp-like creatures under sea ice, and fishes and squid. There are always a wide range of possibilities when you are predicting the fate in the future of a population. It's like the stock market. There are many factors, and those factors vary and they interplay, so no one can predict the future for sure. However, using a robust analysis, you can draw some population trend in the future and draw some probabilities. We took the wide range of possibilities ranging from climate to the population of penguins. So we included all the various effects of sea ice on the emperor penguin, and we also take into account some variability in the sampling and analysis. If sea ice shrinks as forecasted by climate model, the emperor penguin population will decline dramatically by the end of the century. We estimated that there is a 42% chance that the population of emperor penguin will decline by more than 90%. So in other words, that means that if, for example, you give me $3,000 now, there is one chance out of two that I will give you less than $300 back in 2100. So will you give me your money?
To learn more about Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, visit us on the web at www.whoi.edu.